Hello everyone, and welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're taking the parts from a single KLH 325 speaker, and we're turning it into a sweet pair of 3D printed speakers, each having its own enclosure. Before we start, let's take a look at the driver size. You always want to measure before 3D printing. Otherwise, you'll end up with a speaker that only fits in your imagination. I designed this little stand in case you want a clean horizontal face. Without it, the speaker tilts slightly back, which is great for desktop use. But for my build, I'm going a different route. So, moving on. For the connections, I'm using 20 AUG stranded silicone wire, and I use ring terminals for flexibility and durability, because someday future me might want to make upgrades to these, and I'd rather not bust out the soldering iron just to swap out a driver. Future me is lazy. Let's make life easier for him. If you're interested in the 3D files for this build, let me know. Next up, the banana jacks, because nobody likes unscrewing tiny little terminals every time they move their speakers. Plus, they just make the whole setup look pro. It's like putting racing stripes on your car, except, you know, functional. Now the fun part, mounting the driver. I designed a slight pocket in the back to give it a snug, airtight fit. The front cover locks everything in place, giving a solid seal for better sound. The less air leaks, the crisper your sound audio will be. And there they are, freshly printed, neatly wired, and looking like something way more expensive than they actually are. And now the moment of truth. Let's give these a listen. If you've enjoyed this project, let me know in the comments. And if you want the 3D files, just ask. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.